Hello again, busy business owners. Hope you all doing fine. Today we're going to think about you're on the job or you're busy doing what you do well and you get that annoying phone call. No, you don't want to not answer your phone. That's a potential new customer. But have you ever considered using AI to be your number one backup person? Yes, we have AI chatbot for your website that can answer questions that are commonly asked by your customers, that can actually record your customer's name, phone number, address, and your customers can actually schedule a meeting or a visit or a house call with your calendar without even bothering you. We also have the AI voice receptionist that can be installed on your phone. So therefore, a voice AI receptionist answers your call, answers the questions that are commonly asked by your customers, records their information, puts it on a CRM for you to recall them or reschedule or contact them back for more details. So this is like having a personal secretary or personal receptionist with you at all times, therefore allowing you not to have to answer each and every phone call, knowing that you're not getting your customers hanging up and feeling like they're not been served and they go to your competitor. So if you're considering having an AI chatbot or AI voice receptionist, give me a call. We can get this installed for you. It's almost like having a second employee with a very, very low fee to pay them for their services. And yet you won't lose those customers that are trying to contact you. Let's get you signed up. Until next time, have a great one.